Factor completely. If a polynomial is prime, state this. We have 3x to the fourth minus 48. The very first step we want to do is to factor out any common factors. In this case, 3 is a common factor in both terms. So we write 3 times x to the fourth minus 16, since 3 times 16 equals 48. Now we check to see if we can factor the polynomial inside the parentheses. It is a binomial, and it is a difference of squares. X squared squared is x to the fourth, and 4 squared is 16. So we can write this, keeping our common factor, as x squared plus 4 times x squared minus 4. Now, especially when you have these binomials and squares, you need to check carefully to see if we have any differences of squares in here. This is a sum of squares, which we cannot factor, but this is, again, another difference of squares, which we can factor. So although this is a factorization, it's not complete. We need to factor this as well. We copy the 3 and the x squared plus 4, and then we factor this as x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now when we look through, we do not have anything that we can factor further. If we multiply this back out, it would check. So the complete factorization is 3 times x squared plus 4 times x plus 2 times x minus 2.